Mr. Holmes 008 here, coming at you with a new video here. This video is to show a solution to a problem I've been having for a while. I have two arcade joysticks that are like this one here. I have two of them, two arcade sticks, just like this one here. And I've had them on my lap, and it's no fun playing on my lap because it doesn't sit well on your, it shifts around and stuff. It doesn't fit very well because it uses this mesh, like this foam on the bottom, which is very slippery. So what I did was, for a solution for this, was to cut a piece of liner for drawer liner or bookcase liner, whatever you want to call it, just a strip of it. And then I bought one of these fan desks for a computer, and one of these tables for a computer as well. So all I do is I take for example, for this one here, I'm going to take this little bit of mesh material, put it in right here, and then I'm going to put my joystick down on it right here. As you can see, there it is. I can angle it, it's not slipping or sliding, and I can do all my moves on this. You can hear it clicking. That's me using my joystick, but as you can see, it still hasn't shifted. It's still all in one place. So that's the and I'll show you it on the other one too. Right here on this one, and that doesn't shift either. Use a joystick, not shifting. So that's my solution to using arcade sticks at home with your PlayStation 3 or Xbox 360 or PlayStation 4 or Xbox One or PS5 or Xbox Series X. This is a great way to have an arcade system at home without the big bulky arcade cabinets. So, Mr. Holmes 008 signing out. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe to see more videos like this one.